cultivation theory. Cultivation theory is a communication theory that developed by George Stirner in 1960 and 1970. It explored the long-term effects of television and media consumption on a viewer's perception of reality. The theory suggests that the people who watch a lot of television are more likely to see the world in ways that align with the brutality on the sea on TV, particularly in the long term of violence, stereotypes, and social norms. That a very television viewers have many internalized values and beliefs, discipline on a screen, leading to the quick understanding of social reality. This theory highlights of the potential of exploring and the media significant influence individuals' belief and attitude. 4 key concepts of cultivation theory. Heavy versus light viewers. Mean world syndrome. Transmeaning. Resonance. Heavy versus light viewers. Heavy viewers, those who watch a lot on TV, more likely to adopt the television reality as their own. Light viewers, who watch less TV, are the less influenced by the TV connection. A more hours of television daily may adapt the television reality and internalize the narratives and the values presented by leading to a quick perception of reality. Light viewers who watch less than 2 hours have access to the borders, range, and the information source, reducing the impact of television there are beliefs and behaviors. Mean world syndrome, a phenomenon where their heavy viewers are perceive the world as a more dangerous that it's actually it used to the expressive explorer to the violence of media content. Mean world syndrome is a cognitive bias where the very heavy views of the violence media perceive the world is a more dangerous that is the leading of a high need first and the anxiety about the crime that violence and influencing their behavior and attitude. Mainstreaming. Over time, television influenced deserve viewers to develop and share perception of a reality, reducing individual difference. Mainstreaming in television is a concept of cultivation theory that a explorer of television influence viewers' perception of reality and social norms. This homogeneous is lead to the shared beliefs and the attitude of particularly among heavy viewers who really on television for information and viewers. This process contribute to a cultivation understanding of social reality. Resonance. If a person's real life experience align with that they are see on a television that the media influence and amplified. Resonance is a media influence refers to who viewers' real life experience align with the portrayal they see on television. With that alignment amplifies on the impact of media message, leading to the storage of information response and increase a likelihood of the adopting of beliefs and behavior discipline in the media. Real-world application. News and crime. People who resume a lot of crime-related news may overestimated the likelihood of becoming victim. Consuming crime-related news can lead a individual overestimating a likelihood of becoming victim, resulting distorts of viewers of reality, increased fear of anxiety about the person's safety. These are heightened sense of the danger and influence behavior over when the risk of relative low. Stereotype. TV can shape beliefs about the gender roles perception of certain group of people. Television can shape beliefs about the gender roles, perception, and social group by the consistency of a presenting of stereotype tradition, rules, and portrayed by the mean by as a dominant, while our culture group maybe these are exhausted by way are leading to the misconception of the biases unlimitedly of shaping public attitude and their expectation. Consumer behavior. Advertisement of media influence people expectation about lifestyle, beauty, standard, and success. Media influence consumer behavior of promoting ideas, beauty standard, and success often prioritize youthfulness of a material wealth. This can lead of unrealistic expectation, fostering feeling of the injustice of dissatisfaction of social media and advertising can be create a pressure to conform to rules of a standard, skewing of consumer that alert of behaviors.